has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter, and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Sushi paid 21 for the book kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Means what is the given? There is a library. In a library, for 7 days, sorry, for first 3 days there is a fixed charge. First 3 days means first there is first 3 days there is a fixed charge, let X. For each other day, there is a separate charge for this 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, like this. Here also 3 rupees, 3 for one day 2 or 3 rupees, second day 2 or 3 rupees. Like that, there is a variable charge. Take this variable charge as X, sorry, Y. Take this variable charge as Y. Okay. Next, what is the given? What is the given? Given is Sarita paid 27 rupees. 27 rupees for which is kept for 7 days. Which is kept for 7 days. She kept this for 7 days means for first 3 days there is a fixed charge, that is X. There is a fixed charge, that is X. X is the nothing but fixed charge for 3 days. Fixed charge for 3 days. Okay, X means fixed charge for 3 days. What is the remaining days? 7 minus 3, 4 days. For 4 days she has to pay per day. She has to pay per day rupees. Means for 4 days she has to pay some Y rupees per day. Some Y rupees per day. So that is 4Y. See, 3x, don't take 3x. Don't take 3x. For 3 days we are taking as X. Okay, for 3 days we are taking as X. And per day we are taking as Y. So how many days left? 4 days left. Got this? Okay. Next. Now we are writing the given data. Let solution for exercise 3.4. Which question? Second question, fifth one. In second question, fifth one. Okay. Let the fixed charge for first 3 days. For first 3 days. For first 3 days is equal to X rupees. Okay. Or rupees X you can write X rupees or rupees X. I used to write X rupees only. Rupees X. For next, variable charge and the charge for each extra day or additional charge, and the charge for each extra day, okay, each extra day is equal to how much? Y rupees. Okay. Sarita by given. What is the given? Sarita has paid 27 rupees. Sarita had paid 27 rupees for 7 days. Okay, for 7 days. 3 days counts as first 3 days counts as X, and the remaining 4 days counts as Y. The remaining 4 days count in out of 7. If you subtract 3, remaining is 4 only. Okay, take that as 4. Again, Sushi bought books and kept it for 5 days. And what she paid? She paid 21 rupees. She kept it for 5 days. First remaining is this 3 is X. Okay, this 3 days fixed charge, that is X. Remaining how many days 2 days, which is a variable charge. For first 3 days, X rupees. For this remaining 4 days, Y rupees per day. Y rupees per day. That's why I have taken as 4Y. Don't take 3X. Don't take 3X plus 4Y. Always you should take for 3 days X is a fixed charge. Okay. Now, next, solve these two by which method? Elimination method. You will get the answer. X and Y value. What we have to find? Find the fixed charge and charge per X. Means we have to calculate X and Y. Directly we can subtract. Take this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Directly we can subtract because X and X same means there are same coefficient 1 and 1. So directly we can say 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. These two get cancelled. 4 minus 2 is 2y. 27 minus 1 is 6. Here highest number symbol is plus. Here also highest number symbol is plus. So y is equals to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. This implies y is equal to 3. So per day they have to pay 3 rupees. Means extra. For each extra day they have to pay 3 rupees. 4 threes are 12 rupees she has to pay. No need to solve that. Just we have to find X and Y. Y is given. Sorry, y, we know the Y. Substitute y is equal to 3 in any of these two equations. I will take in equation 2 because this which is having small numbers. X plus 2 into y is 3, 21. X is equal to 21 minus 6. 3 to the how much? 6. If you send this to the right side, it becomes minus 6. X is equal to 15. X is equal to 15. Therefore, fixed charge for 3 days is X. Therefore, fixed charge for 3 days is 15 rupees. Means first they have to pay for 3 days 15 rupees. Next, charge for each extra day. Charge for each extra day. Y is equal to 3 rupees. 3 rupees. 3 rupees. Got this? Okay. Next. Take next. Cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. See here there is nothing to do. There is a formula. Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Cross multiplication method, there is a formula. No, don't worry about everything. Okay, there is a formula. If you learn that formula, just substituting that formula. Okay. See, cross multiplication method. Suppose I am going to take. See, I am reminding 3 things which is useful in solving exercise. See here, already you have learned. In you are having a table in the page number 71. In page number 71. If you want, you can go and check in page number 71. I have set this table. If A1 is not equal to B1 by B2, means ratios are not equal, then these lines are intersecting lines. And have only one solution. Again, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Then these are coincident lines. They have infinite solutions. infinite solutions because a line on the other line. So there will be so many solutions. And last thing, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. These are parallel lines, means the lines will never meet. Therefore, no solution. No solution. These two are consistent because they are having solutions. This is no solution, therefore this is not consistent. This I have already explained. I am reminding this to solve exercise problems. Okay, next. Come to cross multiplication method. Here come to page number 85. Page number 85. Page number 85. Page number 85. See there, if general form of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and another equation pair a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the general form of pair of linear equation in two variables. This one I have already said in the first introduction class. Okay. Now what we have to do is equation 8. Check equation 8. Check equation 8 in page number 85. How to write the formula? See here. First you have to write x, y and 1 here. How to write the, I said no, in cross multiplication method there is one formula, you should learn that. Okay, how to write that formula? Take this as x, y and 1. You know BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application. BCA means Bachelor of Computer Application. Remember that BCA. Okay. Wait a second. See here, this x should be come to middle, right here, B, C, A. After 1, we should write B. Okay. Here also B, C, A, and here also B. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. In first row you should write 1. In second row you should write 2. How to remember? This is how to remember the formula. See, here x is there, y is there, and 1 is there. I am writing here x divided by, this x should be here, is equal to y divided by, is equal to 1 divided by. Okay. X, y, 1 should be written as, this is the formula. This is the formula we are going to write by using this. Understood? See here. Cross multiplication method means we are crossing some elements. We are crossing the coefficient of x, y and constant also. We are crossing the coefficients of x, y and constant. Okay. Now B1 C2 minus, always when you go outside you should add minus symbol. B2 C1 multiply this. B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Got this? Again C1 A2 minus, add minus C2 A1 minus C2 A1. Okay. C1 A2 minus C2 A1. Again A1 B2 multiply A1 into B2. What we have to add? Minus A2 into B1 minus A2 into B1. Okay. Got this? What we have to do? X divided by, first we have to write x, y and 1. Next, beside B, C, A, beside this B, C, A, write like this. Okay. Next what we have to do? B1 C2 minus, always you should add minus, this is very very important. Write x by, here x by 1 we have taken, no, x by y by 1 by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, okay, is equal to c1 a2. This formula you have to remember, this formula you have to remember, that's why I am writing this, c1 a2 minus c2 a1. How to remember this? This b c a, first row 1, second row 2, okay. C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 divided by A1 B2 minus, or while multiplying upside, you should write minus A2 B1. Okay, A2 B1. Next, by using this formula, we are going to solve cross multiplication method. By using this formula, we are going to solve cross multiplication method. Next. From a bus stand in Bangalore, if we buy 2 tickets to Malleshwaram and 3 tickets to Yeshwantpur, the cost is 46 rupees. But if we buy 3 tickets to Malleshwaram and 5 tickets to Yeshwantpur, the cost is 74 rupees. Find the fares from the bus stand to Malleshwaram and to Yeshwantpur. Okay, wait a minute, wait a second. Okay. Okay. Next, this is the formula. Now we are solving example 14. Example 14. Okay. Now, see, there is a bus stand. Which bus stand? Bangalore bus stand. There is a Bangalore bus stand. There is a Bangalore bus stand. If you and there is Malleshwaram. Malleshwaram is an area in Bangalore. Malleshwaram is an area in Bangalore. And Yeshwantpur. Yeshwantpur is also an area in Bangalore. Okay. From Bangalore bus stand to Malleshwaram, if you buy two tickets and two tickets to here, two tickets to Malleshwaram. Take this as X, this as Y. Here from here to here, if you buy two tickets, and from here to here, if you buy three tickets, the price will be how much? 46 rupees. The price will be 46 rupees. Is it visible? See, from Bangalore bus stand to Malleshwaram is X rupees. From Bangalore bus stand to Yeshwantpur is Y rupees. If you buy two tickets and three tickets is equal to 46 rupees. Where to where? Two tickets from Bangalore bus stand to Malleshwaram, three tickets from Bangalore bus stand to Yeshwantpur. Okay. So this can be written as 2x plus 3y is equal to 46. X means what? Here to here, how many rupees? Y means what? From here to here, how many rupees? Okay. Similarly, if you buy three tickets to bus stand to Malleshwaram and five tickets from bus stand to Yeshwantpur, what will be the price? 74 rupees. 74 rupees. Got this? Did you understand? Here X means the how many rupees from Bangalore bus stand to Malleshpur. Y means Bangalore bus stand to Yeshwantpur. How much one ticket costs? Therefore, this can also be written as 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. Now you understood how to write the equation by using the given statement. Okay. Next. So shall we solve the problem? Let it be. I am going to solve here. Here only I am going to solve because it's useful while writing. Solution of example what? 14. Example 14. I said no. Let X be the fare from the Bangalore bus stand to Malleshwaram. X be the let the fare from Bangalore bus stand. BBS means Bangalore bus stand to Malleshwaram. Malleshwaram is how many rupees? X rupees. Is X rupees. Let the fare from yes, Bangalore bus stand to Yeshwantapur. Bangalore bus stand to Yeshwantapur. What is the fare from here to here? Y. Yeshwantapur. Okay. Is equal to Y rupees. Bangalore bus stand to Yeshwantapur is Y rupees. Understood? So these two are the equations we have to write in standard. We have to write in standard form. Means this 46 and 74 in the right side. We should take it to the left side. How to write? 2x plus 3y minus 46. I have written already is equal to 0 and 3x plus 5y minus 74 is equal to 0. Minus 74 is equal to 0. Now here what is A1? Compare this equation to this. What is A1? A1 is equal to 2 and A2 is equal to 3. Here A1, A2 and B1 is equal to 3 and B2 is equal to 5. C1 is equal to 46, minus 46 and C2 is equal to minus 74. See here we have to compare A1 and A2, B1 and B2 and C1 and C2. So you will get A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to, don't write A1, A2, A3. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Okay. A1 by A2 is how much? 2 by 3. B1 by B2 is 5. C1 by C2 is 46. Minus 46 and minus 74. This is minus 46. Don't write 46. Okay. Minus 46. Now substitute all these values here by using like this. If you know the formula, directly write this. If you don't know, then do this one. Okay. So initially I am solving x, y and 1 method. What is BCA now? Here what is BCA? Bachelor of Computer Application and again B. 1, 1, 1, 1. Formula. BCA 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. What is B1 here? What is B1 here? What is B1 here? That is 3. I am writing here directly. What is B2 here? Otherwise, I will write it again. Only for the first problem I am writing. Next, you have to do it yourself. Okay. X, Y, and 1. What is B1 here? 3. B2 is 5. C is minus 46. C2 is 74. 74. A1 is 2 and 3. Last B1 is 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. Next. What we have to do? We have to write x by is equal to y by is equal to 1 by. What I have said you? 74 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is 22. which is a minus symbol, which is a minus symbol. Already one minus is there in formula. In formula one minus is there. I said no, B1 C2 minus C1 B2. This is minus B2 C1. What is B2? 5 into 46. 6 5 are 30. 5 4 are 20. That is 23. Minus. Got this? See, if you don't know this, you can directly apply the formula. How to apply the formula is, you have to behead the formula. Now I am solving this by this method. If you don't know this, directly I can put the formula and we will solve. Next problem we will solve this method by putting the formula. Okay. Next. Minus 46 into 3 is how much? 46 into 3. I will write it again. How to write it? Because this is the first problem, no? Don't understand. 3 into minus 74 minus 5 into minus 46. 5 into minus 46. Okay. Next, this one. Minus is taken while multiplying upside. Minus 46 into 3 minus 74 into 2. 74 into 2. Next, 2 into 5. According to the formula, there is nothing. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now we have to multiply these two and simplify it. How to simplify? See here. X divided by 74 into 3 is 222. See, don't forget the sign. Minus into minus plus. See here, minus into minus plus. 46 into 5 is 230. You can do it by calculator. Minus 46 into 3. Minus 46 into 3 is minus 138. Here minus into minus plus 74 into 2 is 148 is equal to 1 by 5 2s are 10 minus 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9. Okay. Now this becomes x by 8 means in 230 if you subtract 220 you will get 8. Y divided by 148 minus 138 is 10, which is 1 by 1. So this is the simplified form by using cross multiplication method. Next, what we have to do? We have to compare this to C, x to C and y to C. That is x by 8 is equal to 1 by 1. 1 by y by 10 is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 10. Therefore, fare from Bangalore bus stand to Malleshwaram is 8 rupees. Fare from Bangalore bus stand to Yashwantpur is 10 rupees. Okay. Bangalore bus stand to Malleshwaram is equal to how much rupees? 8 rupees. That is x. Similarly, Bangalore bus stand to Yashwantpur is y rupees. That is 10 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees. Got this from Bangalore bus stand to Yashwantpur. Understood? This can also be done by using the formula method. Means we can put the formula x by here. X by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 by A2 A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Directly you can write from this. No need to write these two. If you know the formula, properly, then you can write from here. You can write from here. Got this? No need to write these two. Next problem. That is come to example. Wait a second. Example 16. Come to example 16. Come, don't do 15. Come to example 16. Where is this? Next. Example 16. For what values of k will the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions? Infinitely many solutions means the lines are coincident. The lines are coincidence means one line on the other line, one line on the other line. So if it is having infinitely many solutions, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. See the ratio in page number 79. 79 or 71 table. Initially I have said that table. Now what are the given equations? What are the given equations? Kx plus 3y minus k minus 3 is equal to 0. This is A1, this is B1, this is C1. Next, another equation 12x plus ky minus k is equal to 0. Here A1, A2 I am writing 3 because you don't know. A1 is equal to k, A2 is equal to 12. Coefficient of x are A1, A2. B1 is equal to plus B1 is equal to 3 and B2 is equal to k. C1 is equal to minus k minus 3 minus k minus 3. Shall I write this as? No need to. C2 is equal to minus k. C2 is equal to minus k. See here minus minus get cancelled. What are they? Given that it has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Given that they have infinitely many solutions. Many solutions. Means what? A1 by A2, B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. What is A1 by A2? K by 12, which is equal to 3 by K, which is equal to minus K minus 3 divided by minus K. Minus get cancelled. Therefore, K minus 3 by K. So, I am writing this is cancelled. Okay. Next. Compare these two. Which one? These two and k by 12 is equal to 3 by k and 3 by k is equal to k minus 3 by k. K get cancelled here. So this becomes minus 3 comes to the right side. What happens? 3 3 plus 3 is equal to k. Here remaining is 3 is equal to k minus 3 is the remaining. Minus 3 come to the right side. What happens? 3 plus 3 is equal to k. Therefore, k is equal to 6. Therefore, k is equal to 6. If you solve these two, you will get this. Again, you should solve this. K square is equal to what? 12. 12 is 36. This can also be written as k square is equal to wait a second. K square. Wait a minute. Sorry. K by 3 by k is equal to k minus 3 by k. No need to cancel here. K square is equal to 36. K is equal to root of 36. Therefore, k is equal to plus or minus 6. K is equal to plus or minus 6. In this equation, you will get 6. In this equation, you will get 6. Okay. In both the equation, you are getting 6. Therefore, the value which satisfied both the conditions, that is the value of these two equations. That is the value of these two equations. Example 16. Example. Here also you are getting plus 6. Here also you are getting plus 6. Therefore, the value of k that satisfies both the conditions is k is equal to 6. For this value, the pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. For this value, the pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. Got this? Here also you are getting plus 6. Don't neglect about minus 6. We don't want minus 6. Here k is equal to 6. If you want to write, you can write like this also. K is equal to plus 6. Plus or minus 6. But take only k is equal to plus 6. Okay. For that value, you are getting infinitely many solutions. For that value, you are getting infinitely many solutions. Okay. Shall I erase this? Now, exercise 3.5, first question. See, now you have so much of time to read, so everything you have to practice now itself. If once class opens, it will be hectic to you. So, study as much as possible now itself. Don't be a last minuter. Because in the last minute what you read, you only not understand what you are reading. Next. Exercise 3.5. Which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution and infinitely many solutions? If there is a unique solution, then find it by using cross multiplication method. See here, what we have to do is, initially we have to check the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then it has unique solution where the lines are intersecting. See the table. Okay, I have said already. If the lines are coincident, all ratios are equal. If the lines are parallel, last ratio is not equal. Means b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. If they have unique solutions, means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then only you have to find the solutions of x and y by using cross multiplication method. By using cross multiplication method. Still now we have did substitution method and elimination method. Now we are going to solve x and y by using cross multiplication method. Okay. Next. First question. X minus 3y minus 3. X minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. What we have to do here? We have to write a1 by a2. What is a1? 1. This is the solution. What is a2? 3. b1 by b2 is minus 3 by minus 9. c1 by c2 minus 3 by minus 2. Minus 3 by minus 2. See here, what is the ratio? A1 and writing. This is equal to, we can't solve this again. 1 by 3. Minus minus get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 3s are 9. 3 ones are 3 3s are 9. Which is equal to minus minus get cancelled. That is 3 by 2. Here, by using these 3, we can tell that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. By using this, what we can tell? The lines are parallel. The lines are parallel. Therefore, the given lines are parallel. They have no solution. Parallel. They have no solution. They have no solution. Means the given pair of lines doesn't have any solution. The given pair of lines doesn't have any solution. Got this? Now, second question. If they intersect only, you should find the solution by using cross multiplication method. Here they are not intersecting. There is no solution. Okay. If they intersect, then they will be having only one solution. You have to find that solution. Take second question. 2x plus y. See, 5 is in the right side. We have to write it in the left side. Take this equation as 1 and the next equation is 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Take this equation as 2. Okay. Now, what is a1 here? 2 by 3 and b1 is 1 by 2 and c1 is minus 5 by minus 8. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. See here, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This is for intersecting lines. So it has one solution, unique solution, only one solution. Okay. Now what we can tell? Therefore, the given lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. It has unique solutions. Means they have unique solution. Only one solution. Unique solution means only one solution. We have to find that solution. By using cross multiplication method. See here. Directly put the formula and substitute all the values, you will get answer. Directly put the formula and substitute all the values, you will get answer. Okay. See, next. X by, y by and 1 by. You know that. See the formula here. What is the formula? I can write directly. B1 C2 and B2 C1. C1 A2 and C2 A1 and A1 B2 and A2 B1. This is the formula. You have to substitute all values. See here. What is B1? B1 is 1. And C2 is minus 8 and B2 is, by these we can write, tell me, B2 is 2 2 and C1 is minus 5 is equal to 1 by C1 is minus 5, A2 3, C2 minus 8, A1 2 is equal to, this is by 1 divided. A1 is 2, B2 is 2 minus A2 is how much? 3, B1 is 1. Okay, like this you have to write and simplify. X by minus 8, minus into minus, plus 10. 5 is how much? 10. Y by 5 3 is 15. Minus into minus, plus 8 is 16. 1 by 4 minus 3. Now, x by 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. Compare these two and these two. Therefore, x by 2 is equal to 1 by 1, y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So, these two are the solutions, x and y values. Solutions means x and y values by using cross multiplication method. Because it is having a unique solution. When a1 is not equal to a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then you will get unique solutions. Those lines are intersecting lines. If they are intersect, what is the given question? If they are intersecting lines, means they have unique solution. Find by using cross multiplication method. Find x and y value by using cross multiplication method. Okay.